Mexico's ban is an effort to tackle childhood obesity and malnutrition, with schools prohibited from selling such items as sugary soft drinks, candy and highly processed foods.
Ya será obligatorio.
This is obligatory for all three levels of state education: elementary, middle and high schools. That is to say, 258,689 institutions across the country.
Nacional.
The United Nations estimates that 1 in 3 Mexican children is overweight, around 15 million kids. 1/5 are classified as obese. As a replacement for junk food, the government policy places emphasis on natural or minimally processed products, preferably from local farmers, while the availability of free drinking water must be guaranteed. Alongside the ban, the new Live Healthy, Live Happy programme will conduct a nationwide childhood health census, with results and dietary recommendations to be shared with families. By encouraging good nutrition among its youngest citizens, the country hopes to make generational improvements, a vital factor in lifelong health, according to nutritionist Rocío Barragán, who specialises in diet-related disease.
En la edad de la niñez, sobre todo los primeros 5 años.
Good diet is very important during childhood, particularly during the first 5 years for developing good eating habits. Type 2 diabetes, for instance, can often develop 15 years on from a sustained period of insulin resistance. And I have many young clients in their early 20s with problems now due to their diet as children.
22 años.
The junk food ban was implemented in cooperation with the food industry, with Coca-Cola among companies that have pledged to stop selling their impacted products in schools. While the ban covers what food products schools provide to children, there are no restrictions on what lunches brought from home can contain, nor on vendors who wait at school gates. Rocío says it's about education first.
Education begins in the home, and it is important for kids to understand why these products aren't good for them, rather than they are simply being demonized. Everything in moderation.
The Mexican government estimates 1/4 of all citizens here have high blood pressure, and rates of diabetes have more than doubled over the past decade, both conditions leading causes of death. Schools found violating the ban could face fines equivalent to hundreds, even thousands of dollars. Alasdair, Baverstock, CGTN, Mexico City.